Habai keren beginong patai kubor uba Kyrmen Shylla ubla Kylliang Shuki no hau benai ubla let rengkat lang baru uba poleng do ulong baga UDP kam bandan da kejing ete kular bani Kylliang Shuki menteri para MLA badai kejing Kylliang Shuki menteri sarkar la pendap tang da kejing sto jingmo da pleng MLA kaseng uba Kyrmen Shylla ulong bakarai ban Kylliang Shuki menteri sarkar kadai kablarai da kaseng bad da kejing sto jingmo bad kejing kemen hapedeng MLA kaseng Kyrmen Shylla ulong bu Shym kejing syap Kylliang Shuki menteri sarkar kum kejing kerku namar bentau lo yo por shibon bah menteri ne kebentang ke bah miat kipat ba ke constituency ke bau mikmat ulong ru bahadian bola Kylliang Shuki ke menteri kum ta kadu kadu ka kam ke bau menteri rang ba ke jelau konrat ko kal sangma untuk kam ti hu kum ta ulong bakloi ban Shym bat diang namar budan hang ne ban syakri ya kipat ba ulong belada Ulong menteri ne umlong menteri sarkaru kalong hikum jo maru opor bahaban ulet bagi ba bat menteri ru naga benta kaseng UDP.
UDP is a party where we really have this understanding and we are united. We don't need that agreement or arrangement 2.5 years. Whenever the party feel the need of change, so happily and then collectively we accept it, whichever the party feel deemed to take a decision. So we are that way, not necessary to put that 2.5 years, and we don't have that kind of agreement, and we will never have it also. Better this way, we go along with it, and then the party decision we accept it.
So now elections 2.5 years. How do you see this development? Because whether it will be a blessing or whether impact will be there.
Actually, whenever there's a election, it's always a blessing because the people of Meghalaya, they will get a chance to choose their leaders. They get a chance to choose their representative in their own constituency, and even to continue, they have a chance if they saw the work of the present representative is, in a good way he's doing it. So I feel whenever we have election, it is a blessing for the people, and we will try to prove by doing the best we can, serve the best for the people, and we believe that if they are happy, satisfied with our service, they will give us a chance to continue. And I feel now not being a minister anymore, so I will get more time to spend to the people and then make them understand regarding the ideology of our party, the UDP. I feel it's the same. Nothing has changed. It's just that I got more time for my people in my constituency, and yeah, that is how I feel.
So what was the how was it materialized? I mean, the dropping induction. Was it a party decision or a chief minister's direct intervention?
This is a party matter because we were allotted with 2 ministers for in this MDA2. So the UDP has the right to choose whoever among the 12 to go and attend as the minister for the MDA2. So we have been given the opportunity to serve for 2.5 years. So in this reshuffle, so the UDP collectively will take a decision, especially the elected members, and then V2 has been changed, and then 2 has been allotted this minister post to attend in this MLA2. So that is a party matters has been collectively taken decision.
So naturally, there will be some dissatisfaction. Once you had dropped, you had the same feelings.
I don't feel it that way, as I've mentioned. So I feel it's a blessing. Yes, no doubt, being a minister, I feel it's a blessing that I got a chance to serve the people of the state at my capacity. I might not be able to do everything or maybe more than the others, but whatever possible from my side, I have tried it in these 7.5 years. So I feel it's a blessing, and I would like to thank the people of the state for entrusting me to be the minister and then continue my journey for 7.5 years as a minister. But no doubt, though I'm no more a minister now, but our journey, our service still continue. But it's just that by not becoming a minister anymore, we have more time for our people in the constituency.